Hi friends, Air here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share my easy chicken with Hunt's baked beans recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 kilogram of chicken thigh, 1 small pack of tomato sauce, 1 small pack of Hunt's baked beans, 2 spoons of oil, 2 bell peppers, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 piece of sliced onion, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and vinegar if preferred, salt and pepper to taste. Let's cook. Put oil in a pan in low heat. Sear the chicken for 2 minutes and both sides until light brown. Sauté garlic, onions, tomato, bell pepper in a pan for 2 minutes. Then put 1 pack of tomato sauce and stir for 1 minute. Mix the chicken, then put salt and pepper to taste. Put 1 cup of water and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Add Hunt's baked beans and cook for another 2 minutes. You can add a teaspoon of soy sauce and vinegar if preferred. Voila! You are done. Transfer to a serving plate, then serve, share, and enjoy. There you have it. Here's our trivia for today. Did you know that a mother hen turns her eggs about 50 times per day and can lay more than 300 eggs per year? Amazing! Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.